meditate on this car.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So what did we do for today's video? We did a tree and a snowman and some snowflakes, man. It was just like, you know, your regular day, obviously. Duh. No, but today's look is honestly one of my favorite face looks that I've ever done. I truly love it. I think the snowman, which I named Jeffrey, really gives the look character. It gives it a story, a personality. It's just like, that snowman has been through a lot and I'm here for it. Oh, I'm totally kidding. God, I'm way too sarcastic for my own good, or at least that's what my mom says, but yeah, anyway. But yeah, if you guys like to achieve this look or just watch it because it is very satisfying, then just keep on watching. So I'm actually going to be pulling out two palettes. I'm going to be using the Maddie Ziegler Imagination palette and the James Charles palette. And first I'm going to be going into the Maddie Ziegler palette. I already have on my Hint Skin Tint bronzer, concealer, eyebrow gel, and I think that's all. I don't think there's anything else. I don't really know. I don't know what to put on my face. Anyway, so I already have all of that stuff on. I just really want to jump into the eyes because we are going to be doing some stuff on our face, so I want to make sure that this video is as short as possible. So first I'm going to be going obviously into the Maddie Ziegler palette, and I'm going to be going into the color 5. And I'm just going to be putting this on my crease. And now I'm going into the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to be going into the color Cola and putting that on my crease, really defining it and blending it with the color Angel. Oh no, that's I can't speak. That's really great. So now I'm going to be going in back. This is going so well, guys. So now I'm going to be going into the James Charles palette and just going into the color Cola and putting that on my crease, really defining it. And now I'm going to be going back into the color Cola, and I'm just going to be putting that on the outer corner of my eyelid because this is going to be a half cut crease. Before we get into the concealer, I'm going to be going into the color Ring Light and putting that on my brow bone. So now I'm rolling out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to be doing a double cut crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some concealer and put it on my eye and find out where my crease line is by looking up, and then just drawing a half circle on my eyelid and filling it in. I don't know if I want to do white or if I want to do that blue. I kind of want to do the blue color because I feel like, is that going to be too much blue though? Oh, who am I kidding? Let's do the blue color. The more the blue, the better. So now I'm just going into the color Hello and putting that on the concealer we just applied. I just love all of the blue. We're like winters here. Accept it. Now I'm going back into the color Pola. Oh my gosh, it's called Cola. I don't understand how that... Going back into the color Cola and just putting that on the outer corner of my eye, just blending this and the color Hello together. Hello, it's me. Okay, and now I think we're gonna get into the snowflake. So I saw this on Pinterest like I think a year ago, honestly. And I actually did a look like this, but I never made a video off of it. So we're just gonna use it because you do like a snowflake as a eyeliner. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out my NYX white eyeliner, and I think I'm gonna zoom in. Why isn't it? Oh, because I'm zooming in. It's so weird. So I'm just gonna take my eyeliner and just draw lines in the shape of a snowflake coming from the outer corner of my eye where I draw a wing. Can you see me? Okay. And now I'm just gonna draw lines coming out of those, like 2 lines coming out of those lines like a snowflake. If you guys are confused, just watch me do it and hopefully you'll know what I'm talking about because I don't know how to explain that. And then I'm just gonna draw some like lines in between, I think, but not as long. And I'm just gonna draw like a little bit of a circle connecting all the lines together. If you're confused again, just watch me do it. I don't know how to explain it, I'm really sorry. I'm trying, okay guys, I'm trying. And now it is time to do dots. If you guys do not know, I love dots. They are like the living what? I don't know what I was trying to say there. The point is I really like dots. I think I'm gonna do some dots along the double cut crease, or the half cut crease. Sorry, I just do double cut creases so much that I confuse myself sometimes. But first we're gonna do some dots on the snowflake and maybe like around it. I don't know, we'll see. Just get creative. I'm pulling out my nail brush that I use for makeup. It has this little dotting tool at the end of it. Let me show you guys if it'll focus. You can do it. I believe in you. You go, girl. There we go. See this little dotting tool? Love this brush so much. And I'm just gonna do some dots on the snowflake wherever I'd like. Get creative, guys. I believe in you. You can do it. And now I'm just gonna do some dots along the half cut crease. I'm a snowflake. I'm a freaking snowflake. Okay, my life is officially accomplished now. I can do anything I want. Focus. Okay. I make that sound actually quite a lot when I am frustrated. So I'm pulling out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color Pure White and just putting this on my waterline. Now I'm just going to be going into the color Cola and putting that underneath my eye. I'm gonna save some room though for another color. I love getting eyeshadow in my eye. It's just the highlight of my week. Now I'm going back into the color Hello and just putting that the rest of the way underneath my eye. Now I'm pulling out my NYX Professionals that is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, just because I'm gonna be putting falsies on. So if you're not putting falsies on, then you can skip this step if you'd like. I love just this piece of hair that will not go into my ponytail, just sitting right there. Really, real cute. Okay guys, I will be right back. I'm gonna go and do the other eye off camera and then we will go on with all of the other face makeup. So yeah, I'm really excited. It looks super cute and I cannot wait to see how it looks when it's done. I'm really scared. So now that I have both eyes done, I just popped on some lashes and we're gonna be getting into the face part that I'm always very terrified for because I don't want to screw it up because it looks really cute. But I'm gonna be going back into the color 5 from the Maddie palette and just putting that where I'd put my contour. So I'm just gonna, oh god, we made contact, okay. Where I put like my contour and everything like that, on my cheeks, maybe like my highlighting area too. Really blending it into my skin and on my forehead. This is scary, oh, okay. And then now I'm gonna be going into the color Cola and just kind of blending this in. Oh my god, I look so weird. See, this is like the scary part because it looks so weird seeing blue on your face and it like psychs me out. Yeah, I'm gonna be very careful with this just because this is a dark color, so I don't want it to be too dark because I want you to be able to see obviously the tree and everything, and there's something in my, but yeah, I'm gonna be very careful doing this and I'm just kind of gonna blend it in with the blue color. This is just to kind of give it a little bit more dimension. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, I'm going to really blend. Oh, I think it looks good though. I'm really going to be focusing on putting this in like the places that are closer to like my hairline because it's going to kind of give the depth that we are looking for. My skin is going to love this. It's so happy. I haven't decided if I just want to do this on one side of my face or if I want to, maybe we'll do it on one side. I feel like that'd be cool. Okay, and then one more color. I'm going to be going into the color Hello and I'm going to be putting this more on the outside on top of the color 5 from the Maddie palette, and this is just to kind of give it a little bit of a sparkle because who doesn't love a good sparkle? Oh wow, oh, she a highlighter, man. Okay, I'm being very careful with this color because it's very, very bright and very, very sparkly. Oh god, it looks like there's literally a highlighter on my face. Oh well. Okay, I think we are ready to add the tree. So we're just gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna pull out my concealer again because that's how I'm gonna like figure out the shapes I want, and I'm honestly just going to, you know, get creative with it. So I'm obviously gonna figure out where I want the tree to be. So I know I want it to like definitely stem down here like so. Okay, well it doesn't look like a tree yet, but I think it's getting there. So now that I have this done, I'm obviously gonna fill it in. Excuse me. I'm obviously gonna fill it in with some brown, obviously to make it look like a tree, and then I also have some brown eyeliner that I'm gonna use. But now I'm just gonna be going into the color T and just filling in all the concealer. I think I'm just gonna do the one side, but I definitely want to do a little snowman or something because I think that'd be really cute. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my NYX Epic Wear Liquid Liner, and this is in the color brown, and I'm gonna be like kind of just like outlining the tree, I guess, you know, and I might keep this out and use it for some detail later. But yeah, we're just gonna be outlining like the underneath of it and stuff. So I'm kind of just drawing some lines into it, the liner, just to kind of give it, again, some detail. I feel like it'll look really good. Okay, I think I'm gonna start getting into the snow. So now I'm gonna be taking my NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in the color white, and I'm just gonna kind of be dipping my brush into here and just like doing little like circular shapes and putting them on the bottom just to make it look like there's some snow. And now I'm going into the color Flashback and just putting this on top of the eyeshadow base. Okay, and now I'm gonna get into all this fun snow that's gonna be on the tree. So I'm just gonna be going back into my NYX Professionals liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna honestly be drawing it on top of the tree stems. Now I'm just gonna outline the bottom half. Now I'm gonna start drawing some little tiny snowflakes. So I'm honestly just gonna be making kind of like a star shape almost, except adding in 6 instead of 4. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go that, here, and then here, and then I don't want to get too detailed because I feel like if we make it really big, then it'll kind of distract from the look. And then I'm also gonna be just drawing regular dots. Okay, I think that is good. I'm actually gonna draw the snowman now. So I'm just gonna obviously go in my eyeliner and just draw 2 circles, one bigger than the other, right next to the tree. I'm gonna be taking back out my NYX Professional liquid eyeliner in the color brown and just drawing 2 little stick arms for the cute little snowman. Okay, I'm gonna draw the nose first just because I don't have an orange, so I'm gonna have to like be very careful. So I'm just gonna use the James Charles palette, the color 518, and just kind of draw a tiny little carrot nose, make it look real cute. So now I'm gonna go into the brown, and I'm just gonna do little dots for the eyes and the mouth. Okay, I think it looks adorable. Just take back out my nail dotting tool, and I'm just gonna put little dots everywhere, you know, for the snow. So now I'm just gonna be pulling out the Glossier cloud paint. I'm just gonna use a little bit. Obviously, we don't wanna use too much. Do I wanna give it a top hat? I feel like it needs a top hat. I'm gonna give it a top hat really quick. Should I give it a scarf too? I'm gonna give it a scarf. I need to style it. I want to be a fashion designer and older. What color should it be? What if we give it a blue scarf and then we make the dots brown? I like that idea better. Since this is a snow look, I'm gonna be pulling out the Becca highlighter. I just feel like this will go best. And this is in the color Pearl, by the way. I am just going to be pulling out my Better Than Sex. And now I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick in the color You Better Work It, and I'm just going to be putting this on my lips. And now I'm just going into my Stila lip gloss in the color Blue Sky and just putting a little bit of this on top of the lipstick we just applied. Now I'm just pulling out my Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. Shout out to Pinterest. Pinterest is amazing. I freaking love Pinterest. It's like my life here. Also, my nails look so cute. Oh, there we go. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or scene requests or anything like that. I'll try our hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located in the end card, and it'll also be linked down below along with my last video, which is also playing. Well, not playing, but it's going to be linked in the end card. Guys should definitely check that out. If you guys would like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below and in the end card. So make sure you subscribe to my channel because I post really fun content like these really cool makeup looks that I think are pretty entertaining. So definitely think about subscribing to me. Yes, I did that on purpose for dramatic effect. Anyway, I think that is all I have to say. So bye bye, beauty babes. Love you. Stay warm. It is cold where I live. Please stay warm.